Hi, this is Phil. Welcome to Pollyanna's Parchment Craft. Today I'm going to show you our new addition to our range, our 12-inch universal embossing mat and tool for the new design and cut. The mat is a full 12 inches, exactly the same as the size of our mat for the scan and cut that we've found very popular. This again is a non-adhesive surface, and along with this we've designed a slightly different tool to accommodate the design and cut, but the tool still fits in the standard pen holder. The pen holder that will fit in your scan and cut will also fit in the design and cut, as will the universal pen holder. The tool fits as it does before in the standard pen holder with the spring behind it. I haven't taken brother off, it just wore off. Now we start with our scan and cut canvas. Yes, I did say scan and cut canvas, though we're working on the design and cut. So we get rid of that and we go into my projects. Opening my projects, we'll choose the first one, which we're going to work on today, and we go down to the edit function, which will open it on our scan and cut canvas simulation of our mat. Now wherever it's placed on this canvas is exactly the same place and exactly the same size it will be placed on the mat. If we enlarge it somewhat, you can see the design that we will be working with today. We are going to emboss the design, and then we're going to cut out that rose in the center, all without taking the card out of the machine. We've loaded our download manager for design and cut, so we click download, and instead of computer we go to transfer to design and cut. Click on that, and we get another screen that tells us the transfer is ready. Open our design manager and click load data, load from scan and cut canvas. That's where I made a mistake, pressed the wrong button. Load data, load from scan and cut canvas. It's processing, and in just a moment it will appear on our design manager screen. There we are. Now from here we can go to select function, which says cut, draw and emboss. We use the draw function. All of Pollyanna's embossing equipment uses the draw function, not the emboss, just the draw function. So we apply the settings, changing the mode to draw, and it will progress the settings and it's ready. Now here is my new toy. This is the Brother Design and Cut. This is the latest addition to the Brother range of home cutting and crafting equipment. Somewhat the same, somewhat different from the scan and cut. It doesn't have a scanning function on it, but it does use a lot of the same tools. It uses the same blade holder, it uses the same pen holder, it uses the universal tool holder, and if you've already bought it, it uses the Brothers embossing tool holder as well. Today I'm using Hunky Dory Rainbow Mirror Card, because this gives a really nice effect on embossed cards. A really good quality card. Now we put this on our mat and we tape two sides only. We tape the top and the left hand side, making sure that top left hand corner is really down because that can catch the tool. We leave the right hand side open at the moment, top left hand side. load into our machine, registering. Then we put the tool in. See this, do it again, pop the tool in and make sure you lock it down, there's nothing will happen at all. Back to our design manager, which is on our computer or our tablet or our smartphone. The speed setting is on 3, the pressure is on 9, and we click start. And we have a stop and resume on there. So now we start embossing on the card stock. And as this is 7 minutes to do this design, we're going to speed it up at the moment. The machine doesn't work this fast. Wish it did. Be good, wouldn't it? And there we have the design finished. Look at all those glorious colours in the card, just reflecting the light. All the colours of the rainbow. Really metallic-y look to it. Now this side that we haven't taped down, we will take an ordinary piece of cartridge paper, copy paper, and we will slide that between the card and the embossing mat. Right the way up. Now we will tape down the bottom side of the card, hold it in place, hold it nicely, and now we're going to cut out the rose that is in the centre. So to do that, we go back to our canvas. And don't forget, this design is saved in My Projects, so whatever we do to it now, as long as we don't save it, it doesn't change it. The cloud that our rose sits in is not grouped with the rest of the design, so if we move the design, we can delete it, leaving us just our little cloud outline. There we are. Now we download this to the design cut transfer, and it's ready, and then we go into it, we click load, select canvas, and in a moment the old design will disappear. No need to delete it, and there is our little cloud in exactly the right place. So we change our embossing tool, the brother cutting tool with the standard cut blade, and it is set on number 5. Lock it down. As we've already applied the settings to this, which we are on now on cut, speed 3, pressure 1, which is perfect for what we're going to do. We've already done the apply, and now we can press start. Apologies for my skills with the camera. And there we have our centre rose is cut out. Now we're going to put together the card, and I'll show you why the rose has been cut out, although really it is just a demonstration to show you that you can emboss and cut on this machine with our equipment. You can also emboss and cut on the scan and cut with Pollyanna's parchment embossing mat and tools. And there's the card, there's the centre, metallic, all beautiful colours. There's the inside with the rose on it, ready for you to put any other embellishments or inscriptions that you would like on it. You can see it has embossed it really nicely. Now this one set of mat and tool will emboss cardstock, although I must confess I do love to use this rainbow mirror card. The ordinary mirror card looks really good as well, but I love this rainbow and I think it does justice to an embossed design. This is just a simple design. I'm not a card maker, I just come up with the ideas of how to make cards. You're all governed only by your own imagination. As you will see, no cartridge page paper was harmed during this demonstration, and neither was the mat. No marks on the mat whatsoever. There we have it. I will be doing demonstrations with parchment, which is our first love, and it works absolutely fabulously with this machine. And I will be doing a demonstration video also using the little tin sheets that you can buy from your brother stockist. Or I suppose any other little tin sheets that you get. But don't forget, with our system, if you wanted to, you can emboss or cut a full 12 inches. So the imagination is your ruler. There we have a card. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you may have got some ideas from it. I'd love to hear from you, albeit Harriet in October. If you're that way and you would like to pop in and say hello, we'd be more than pleased to see you. I'll be demonstrating the design and cut there, as well as the scan and cut. Absolutely wonderful machine. Really good effect. Good addition to the range of brother cutting machines. And I feel they are only enhanced by our equipment. So thank you again for watching.